A Moto zipper is a separating zipper found on Moto style jackets in which the zipper is off-center to one side and part of the jacket collar. I've completed my jacket up until the point where I need to insert my zipper. You can see my jacket back is attached to parts of my jacket front. My zipper will be stitched to each of these long raw edges going down the front. You'll want to check the notion section of your pattern for the recommended length and type of zipper. I'll be using a 20-inch metal separating zipper. It's very important your zipper is separating so you can open it and get two separate sides. At the bottom of your jacket, on each side your zipper will be attached. Use a sewing gauge to measure up 3/4 of an inch and make a mark. It's very important this is accurate because this will be where the end of the zipper will fall, and we want them to match up with each other exactly. Pin the zipper along the raw edges of each side. The bottom of the zipper needs to line up with the mark at the bottom of the jacket. The zipper is placed on the right side of the jacket fabric with the wrong side of the zipper facing up. This means that your zipper teeth are facing toward the side seams. The zipper teeth should go past your seam line, so I will measure along the edge, making sure my teeth are past the 5/8 inch mark. At the top of the zipper tape, pin it so it's slanting towards the raw edge of the jacket. Once your zipper sides are pinned correctly, baste on the zipper tape to hold it. Use a zipper foot to make things easier for you. You'll notice the front of my jacket doesn't look symmetrical. I have one side which has the pocket and the collar section, and then this other side just has the front pocket. Now that my zipper is basted in, I can pin my other collar front jacket piece to the zipper seam with just the pocket. Pin the edges matching your notches, right sides together. Stitch this seam at your sewing machine. Press the seam closed and going toward the side seam. Looking at the right side of the fabric, on this side of the jacket, the zipper is between a seam. As a finish, I'm going to top stitch next to the zipper seam line, making sure to catch the seam allowance with this stitch. If you have a pocket, keep it out of the way. You should top stitch for the full length of the seam and not just where the zipper is. The other side of our zipper is still attached to an unfinished edge, and this will be completed when the jacket lining is inserted. So I'm going to complete the rest of the jacket until I get to that point. Once my jacket and lining is mostly complete, it's time to attach the two together and finish the last zipper edge. Place the jacket and lining right sides together, matching up the outer raw edges, and pin. At your sewing machine, sew a seam at the pinned edges around the whole jacket. Through my opening, I'll turn my jacket right side out. That previous unfinished side of the zipper is now sewn between the jacket edge and the lining edge. You'll finish by doing a top stitch along the zipper and collar. And now your zipper is installed in your Moto style jacket. You should be able to zip it up fully by moving the left collar inward. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of our new releases. Also check out ProfessorPincushion.com to view our complete library with well over 450 sewing tutorials. If you would like to directly support us, you can join our YouTube membership and earn some exclusive perks. Thanks for watching.